Hello everyone and welcome to my March's unboxing. Being a bit lazy, it is actually the 17th of March today and I've been saving things up. I haven't been bothered to open them. Don't know what it is at the minute, but I just can't get into it. Feel like I'm in a bit of a lull, but I'm going to keep persevering and hopefully I get my mojo back. I've got quite a few to open today, so hopefully after today I'll feel a bit more motivated. So the first one I've got here, it does sort of give you a hint. So this is from London Pride and it's a daily spin to win. It's a full-size rugby ball. You don't win a lot of these. Normally it's football that takes. So that's a full-size rugby ball and the stand for kicking it. So that is lovely. Feels really good quality as well. So that is the first of today's prizes. Got another one here. I think this could be from our friends at Topster. Feels booky to me. So this is the Chicken Farm Fiasco. Oh, and they've sent me an invoice, so it would have actually have cost £6.99. So this is a children's crime novel. So let's get one of my friend's children to read this and then I will be putting up a review on Topster and then hopefully we can win some more. This is another one that feels booky, but I can't think. So it says, from Hay House Publishers. Hi Catherine, congratulations on winning a Moonology diary. We hope you love it. So it's a Moonology diary for 2023. And I honestly can't remember entering a competition for this. But I will definitely have a look at it. So it's like astrology and to know when to do things and when not to do things in the month, when you're most lucky and when you can do the greatest good. So that's quite nice. Got another one here. It does say on it where it's from, but it's a bit close to my address. So if you saw last month that I was picked to be a host of a Brits party, I did do a Brits party and I really enjoyed it. So I signed up for the next task and this is 7 Wonders. So this is, I think it's you build, I don't know. Develop your civilization's military, science, culture and economy. So I'm hoping that it's quite a good game. Apparently it's the most awarded game. So I will get some people together and we will have a look. And I will do a review and hopefully I will be picked to do another one in the future. This is the exciting one that I've been waiting for. So there are actually 3 massive boxes. So this is the first one. And this is from Lola's Cupcakes on Instagram. And this was a tag a friend competition and I was actually the friend who benefited from this. So Jo, who I speak about a lot on my unboxing videos, is a bit of an Insta queen and she managed to win 2 cakes and cupcakes for her and 2 cakes and cupcakes for me. So I got to pick which I wanted, and I got, wow, red velvet cupcakes. So they're in a cool bag. I've got them now because it's obviously Mother's Day at the weekend. So the cupcakes look amazing. Went for the red velvet. Just try and put them away nicely. And then the cakes. So 1, 2 cakes, and they're both huge. So they come with ice to keep them nice and cool, which is probably what most of the packaging is all about. And in here there is a cake. So this one looks like Biscoff. They are naked cakes. And the other one is chocolate. So that is one. Oh, and here is the other one. So again with ice. And that one is chocolate. And both of them look very delicious. So thank you, Joe, and thank you, Lola's Cupcakes. You have saved me a job buying Mother's Day gifts. So that's it for today's unboxing, and hopefully I get my mojo back soon. Hi, it's the end of March today, and I have 3 Jiffy envelopes to open and 2 things to tell you about. Thanks to Charlotte Cordwell, who put on Lucky Learners. There was can't remember if it was kitchen or bathroom survey, and the first 400 people that filled out their details won a £5 Costa voucher. So both myself and my partner did it, and we got emailed the vouchers. So next ones, these 2 are the same, and the dispatch note actually tells you what it's from. But these are socks from the snack company Kind. So you had to buy a pack of I think I bought some like muesli bars, and the sort of good for you, and I have won 2 pairs of Kind socks. So they are exactly the same, and it's one size fits most. So thank you very much to Kind. And I have this Jiffy bag, and I'm hoping that inside it tells me who it's from, because I know what it is, but I've forgotten the lovely company that I won with. So in here, it's with Kel & Co Cosmetics on Instagram, and I have won some lip oil, and this is another lip oil as well. I did think I'd won something else with her, but she's very kindly put in some lollipops and a push pop. So she was lovely to talk to, and thank you very much to Kel & Co. And that's it for March. So hopefully April is a bit more productive. See you soon.